Hey, it's Justin, and if you want to make your very first ClickBank commission online today, then make sure to watch every second of this presentation. Because if you've never had that feeling before, you're in for a surprise. There's no bigger rush online than landing your very first ClickBank sale. When you see that first cash deposit sitting in your account, it changes everything. Why? Because if you can generate one sale, you can generate dozens, hundreds, maybe even thousands. And it's possible for you to do that each and every month practically on demand. So keep watching. In this short video, we're going to share with you how thousands of people are using ClickBank to live the dream of an automated side income or a full-time income and doing it 24/7, and how you can join them as soon as this afternoon. We'll do that by handing you the only blueprint for ClickBank success created by ClickBank themselves. Hi, my name is Justin Atlin. I'm head of ClickBank University faculty. My business partner Adam and I were actually some of the first people to make it really big with ClickBank by bringing in over millions of dollars in sales of our own products and affiliate commissions in record time. In fact, one of our products generated $1 million in just 1 week. And I'd like to introduce you to Milana Kalimulova. She's the head of product and user experience at ClickBank University.
It was years ago Justin invited me to join ClickBank on their mission to help 1 million people just like you achieve their financial dreams. How? Using ClickBank, of course. You see, every single day we help show people the way to their very first ClickBank sale. And the men and women we help along their journey come from all walks of life, but they have one thing in common. When they get that very first ClickBank commission, they get so excited. For instance, Ryan made sales in his very first week. Austin knows it feels awesome to make that first ClickBank sale. And check out Zach, who's really starting to get some momentum. Believe me, when you see that first commission in your own ClickBank account, it gives you the confidence to go on and make so much more. Over the past 10 years, ClickBank has sold over 300 million digital products and created wealth for more than 100,000 people. Now, we want to make it easier than ever before for people just like you to make the extra income that you deserve. People right now on ClickBank are reaching their financial goals. Whether that means bringing home a few hundred extra dollars in their spare time, generating a job-replacing income so they never have to show up for anything or work for anyone ever again, or swinging for the fences and generating 6- and 7-figure months and years. In the next 3 minutes, Justin and I are going to reveal how we can help you generate ClickBank commissions every month like clockwork. And the only place you find this information is right here, right now, in this free presentation. And even more pressing, you may not even realize this, you're watching this video just as it's being released to the mass public. We have a huge surprise for you. The surprise we have for you is so incredible that we'll be taking it down in a matter of days, maybe even by tonight. So make sure to stay glued to this presentation because you're not going to want to miss this.
And there's never been a better or more urgent time to kickstart your own online income. Why? Well, let me introduce you to Mordar. Now, this isn't a still from some old science fiction movie. Mordar is the future of customer service. She's a robot waitress bringing drinks to customers in a coffee shop called Robo Cafe in Vietnam. Pretty cool, right? Well, not if you're the waitress whose job just got replaced by a machine. Now, we may not have those kinds of robots in our coffee shops all around the world yet, but you can't fail to notice the small human replacing changes that are happening each day. For instance, robotic machines stack the shelves in Amazon's warehouses. Another robot called Baxter is taking the place of men and women on the factory lines. And chatbots, just simple lines of code, can now give us realistic human conversations. They're single-handedly putting thousands of call center workers out of their jobs around the world. Plus, let's not forget the self-serve checkout kiosks replacing grocery store clerks and bank tellers by the thousands. Yet, we always think it's someone else's job that's going to be replaced, don't we?
The truth of the matter is, we all need to be aware that over the next few years, we're going to see huge changes in the world of work. Now, we don't say all of this to scare you, but to prepare you, because although few of us can rely on a job for life anymore, we believe that right now, more than ever, is the real opportunity. In fact, this just may be the greatest time in history to create wealth for yourself. And maybe you've already dabbled in a few things online. Many of our clients at ClickBank University tried and failed at things like SEO, Facebook ads, network marketing, writing articles for pennies, yet things could have been so different for them. What they were missing was a helping hand, a guide along the path to that first life-changing sale or commission.
So if you want to do things the right way, where do you start? Take it from me, the flat-out simplest way is with the platform, the tools, and the training of the internet's most trusted retailer of digital products, ClickBank. ClickBank enabled Melanie to live her dream. Traveling the world with her husband, Melanie has no boss to report to, no job tying her down. She enjoys a freedom most of us can only dream about. Yet it's all because she uses ClickBank to sell her digital product on meditation. With ClickBank, many of her sales and income are automated. Paid into her bank account every 2 weeks without fail. And then there's Ron. Ron quit his job and painful 50-hour work weeks to put his homemade digital cookbook on the ClickBank platform. Over time, he's generated $1 million in sales from his cookbooks. These are just simple PDFs digitally delivered. The entire sales process is actually taken care by ClickBank. And it's not just creating products that are making our clients money. In fact, we have dozens of clients that bring in the high 5 figures per month simply by sending people to offers that aren't even theirs. Some of them are making even 7 figures per month. Think about that. You don't need a product to bring in serious money. In fact, I started making money using ClickBank without a product or even a website. And if you're thinking, yeah, that's okay for those guys, Justin, but how do I get started when I have no expertise, no tech skills, and no clue? Well, let me tell you, it wasn't too long ago that I was right where you are right now. Just looking for an easy way to make that first little chunk of cash online. And thank goodness for ClickBank. It was a total game changer for me when I found them. You see, back then, I was ecstatic to discover ClickBank had done away with the middleman. What that means is you don't even need a product to get earning right away. You don't need a website either. And you definitely don't need to understand any fancy technology. I was able to generate serious income simply by pointing people to various ClickBank offers. That's right, ClickBank can do much of the hard work for you. I used YouTube to direct people to an offer and bam, commissions after commissions appeared in my ClickBank account. At the time, it felt like magic. I got so excited. This strategy made me enough money to move out of my parents' house and get my own place in Los Angeles. Now, times have changed a little, and there are other, better, and actually even simpler ways to do this. And that's exactly what we teach inside of ClickBank University. Using the ClickBank platform, I then began to create my own products, and over the next couple of years, well, my income exploded. That's actually what led my business partner Adam and I to being named 2 of the top 100 young entrepreneurs in the USA and getting flown out to the White House, all at the age of just 19. We even got this letter written and personally signed by the president at the time, Barack Obama, thanking us for our contribution to the USA. So after visiting, actually got this cool letter from the White House. And in it, 2 things. One's Barack Obama signed photo, and then also this letter, which is pretty cool, that says, thanks for meeting with members of my administration. Youth engagement is vital to maintaining a vibrant democracy, and I appreciate you sharing your insights. And yeah, and signed by a personal signature by Barack Obama too. So this was a pretty cool experience. So when it comes to generating income with ClickBank, well, rest assured, we know what we're talking about.
Hi, this is Miles. I'm the Gold Coast of Australia. Well, I've always believed in extra ways to make money, and I believe in the power of the internet. I just couldn't find anything that worked for me. I was getting a bit disheartened, to be honest, and then I came across ClickBank University. I really like the training videos. They're very easy to understand. I really like the community, sharing ideas, giving feedback. The weekly steps just helped me finish the project. ClickBank University really helped me to get through those final stages where I'd usually give up, or not even give up, just get bored. And the videos helped me push through and finish it, which in itself was a huge achievement for me.
Maybe right now you just want to make a little extra cash each month from home. And after talking with so many clients here at ClickBank University, I know that for a lot of people, the thought of being a millionaire just sounds too far-fetched. It's too unrealistic. And me personally, well, I just wanted extra cash to be able to travel. And ClickBank helped me live that dream. I was able to spend several months traveling around Europe last summer. Today I'm in Norway on Norway Day, hanging out with all these kids. I'm in Santorini overlooking the island.
Damn it, Stonehenge! I'm in the Boqueria in Spain. It's basically like this big farmer's market. It's the first day I'm in Italy. I'm in Venice, as you can tell from the Venice canals. I'm in the south of France today at the beach.
Because in the end, the point of life is to live it. So having an online business gives me the ultimate freedom to spend my biggest asset, time, exactly the way I want. Whether it's hanging out, traveling Europe, or just going out to the mountains, snowboarding with my loved ones on a Tuesday.
And we want the same freedom for you too. That's why we created a system in collaboration with ClickBank that gets you pulling in your first crucial ClickBank dollars fast. That's the key. Maybe like you, most people first want to see some proof that they can do this. And that's exactly why we focus on helping you make that first sale, that first commission, that first chunk of cash so you can see success fast and then grow it from there. So right now, let me share our secret weapon that can help you make that happen. You see, here at ClickBank, we have thousands of businesses in dozens of different markets generating hundreds of millions of dollars in sales each year. And that also means ClickBank is in the unique position of knowing what's working right now. They know what types of products are selling, they know how they're being sold so successfully, and they know which are the hottest markets right now. Plus, they get to scoop up all the newest affiliate tactics to help you bypass the product creation process and get straight to banking commissions. And all of this proprietary information is something we're able to share with you. See, here at ClickBank, we believe a rising tide lifts all boats. Your success is our success. By sharing, by being generous, we can make all of our members wealthier. And it gets even better because we're not just going to show you how to do this. We're not just going to teach you or give you a roadmap, a blueprint, a guide. No, you're going to become certified in ClickBank income generation.